Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's unpacking manje. Hey, kuningi. Angithi khona nalo baba lo yamkhumbula. Nanje umbenenge ngisamile ukumenza naye ne-PIPI yakhe ayikhombisa usecretary wakhe. Guys, kuningi, like it's a lot in South Africa, the stuff that's happening. Unalento lo ukuthi ngine power, you understand? And then I can lie, I can come to court. But I'm like, now, Secretary God, she should have she was supposed to come forward long before. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Hayi manje hlale ngoba manje uyabona ukuthi she's not winning. Ukuyibona leyo nto. So kuningi guys bese kuzoba ad hoc bese kuzoba madlanga. Hayi, it's a bit much. Ngapha uJulius ubusy udelela abantu like you have never seen, like how ayidelela ngakho akanayo ke nje le yanto ifilter yokuthi umuntu omdala, like the respect and all of that. He's never had that, to a point where ungisho uZuma embiza ngathi angazi ubizana. So ubenza kumchunu the same thing today. But okwamanje guys sisaqala ngapha. The reason why I brought up his name uJulius is because emadlanga his name came out. Uyamkhumbula ngithi sengithi uBushiri cabanga. uRichard ke uGeneral Shibiri was telling witness A that, listen, stop this thing that you are doing right now, right? No investigator like case. These people that you are dealing with, remember I said even yesterday, they are powerful and dangerous. So uyabona why uKatiso actually got that bail of 400,000. I even think now that I'm seeing other things now and I'm listening to other things, I'm just like, he didn't even pay for that. Actually, he didn't pay that 400,000. I think someone else paid it around the Big Five. Richard Shibiri, why he was actually warning witness A ukuthi, listen, yekela le case. Ngoba abantu baku Big Five and kunas a lot of people uKatiso ulapho uJulius Malema uyabalwa umngani nalabantu ngazi some mining company in that they busy with. Guys, you know what, I don't want to get into it kakhulu because my thing is uJulius naye has been staying in Sandton all his life. I'm just like, kanjani? He had a house in Sandton esaqala i-EFF engenawo ngisho 2 months. I was just like, what's happening, man? Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. So kuningi guys ngapha ubhizi uphoxana nomchunu, utshela umchunu the way ngazi ukuthi umfana wakhe. Ubhizi uphoxana nomchunu engathi ungcono. And people are now saying, ubonile ukuthi it's crazy how Julius wasn't there when uSibiya was there, and we didn't realize that sometimes awunaki angithi uShadrack Sibiya. When Shadrack Sibiya came at work, Julius wasn't there. You know why? Because they've big part apparently. Big, huge bosom friends. And then some guy was saying KZN uzinxumalo. Umngani wabo noKatiso. And then friend of the Big Five, basically. Umalema sibeke nje kanjalo. Yeah, I think it's more clear kanjalo. Yes, he came out as a Big Five friend. You see how Utefo came to court last week, I'm here, I'm the friend of the court. Something like that. Guys, ngifila ukuthi lo 2 weeks has been hectic, and then ngapha uRafadi naye uresignile. Ngithi amkhumbula lo he's actually an analyst yama politics and all of that. Uresignile where he worked. So kuningi guys that's going on. Like ngabona ngibambala, I'm just like ngapha Jamie, Mighty Jamie, I'm sure niyamazi naye wenza what I do. But he normally doesn't do the Senzomewa case as such. But umfonele so recorder uMighty Jamie. Emthreatenisha ukuthi hey futhi guys abonje kuyasabisa yazi. So uzinxumalo ke kubhalo everywhere ku social media ukuthi he's actually the next billionaire. Yes, guys, kuningi ndaba ye-Big Five nale corruption that's going on in our country. It's just a lot. Ngapha umchunu uzobethi indaba kaBrown Mokgotsi ushonini yena ukuthi akamazi uBrown Mokgotsi lo baba lo and waqala wamphika at first yes Letharon was no actually I know him manje usethi ema ad hoc no umkhwanazi twisted things utwiste in umkhwanazi there because all he said was uyamazi and when at first wamphika after the briefing kamkhwanazi the media briefing on the 6th of July manje ad hoc sekuyindaba zokuthi uwatwist izinto akathwistanga next waqolwa mphika vele you said you didn't know the guy yabona umchunu guys is all over the place i-testimony yakhe. Let's go back to Calvin Rafadi. Right? UCalvin Rafadi njoba ngishilo ukuthi uresignile e-University of Johannesburg. Lize ngathi la bisebenza khona. Cabanga guys. So uCalvin kahle guys it came out I actually said it about should be 2 weeks now. Video yakhe nje I have a video yakhe on his own where I was just saying they know each other beno Matlala. They actually from Mamelodi. Umatlala or was Mamelodi East. I don't wanna go into detail. But yeah, apparently they grew up together. All brothers ubecela imali kuVusumuzi Matlala. Ngicela 300 rand we petrol ngicela 50,000 for that ngicela you understand. So I think the reason why he resigned the University of Johannesburg yes the timing now, my things, my life, it's not making sure. Into ezongisiza is to resign. Angimazi uzophila kanjani, I'm not sure, but he has actually resigned. Guys, kuningi. To this day, asikho sure ukuthi Big 5 oba, but silos connect nathi amadots uthi okay, uba yabo sezenzele organogram, siyabhala phezulu uthi okay. Chances are uSibiya would be then the first person mhlambe kulandele uKate Matlala bafakwe no Katiso Molefe yabona yeah lo sihlanganisa nathi we don't really know for sure but amabhoma lokho eqhamuka boo I'm just like what and then uJulius Malema but bahlalisa nsini monke I've always said man zonke lapho guys iziningi into zalabantu yo bafuna ukuvukela umbuso basically